Most AI image generators are good enough, but you don't want good enough, do you? Because there are only 4 AI models that professionals actually use every day in 2026, and knowing which one fits you specifically is what separates the people with stunning results from the people who keep regenerating the same mediocre photo 14 times and pretending it is fine. So let's get into it. First up, Nano Banana 2. And yes, that is the real name. I didn't make that up. Google launched this thing last week and it is already making headlines everywhere, which honestly feels illegal considering how fast it happened. But here is why people are losing their minds over it. Ultra-realistic images, insane speed, real-world knowledge, and text rendering. So clean it makes older models look like they were having a stroke. I am talking about generating a weather infographic with real-time temperatures from 5 different countries, accurate data, correct times, clean layout. From a single prompt, no research, no manual formatting, just type and done. And then I asked it to create a job posting for a chef in Paris in French with a description, phone number, and salary. Not one mistake, every word legible, every detail correct. 3 months ago, every AI model turned text into hieroglyphics the moment you asked for more than 4 words. Nano Banana just casually fixed that and moved on like it was nothing. Consistency is also genuinely impressive here. I took 5 cartoon monster characters and dropped them into completely different scenes, classroom, football field. And they looked exactly the same across every generation. Same expressions, same features, different emotions. That is not easy. Most models can barely keep one character consistent. Nano Banana is doing it with 5 cartoon monsters playing football and making it look easy. Next, Flux 2 Pro. And this one plays a completely different game. While everyone else is upscaling a tiny image and hoping nobody notices, Flux renders natively at 4 megapixel resolution. That is why every single image looks like it was shot on a professional camera. The textures are insane: skin, fabric, fur, snake scales. I tested all of it and every single one looked like it came out of a high-end photo shoot. If you create UGC content, skincare ads, or anything where texture and detail actually matter, Flux is your best friend. It combines the human touch with resolution quality in a way that other models genuinely can't match. Some AI images look too perfect, too clean, too obviously fake. Flux looks real in a way that makes you do a double take. That is a hard thing to pull off, and Flux makes it look effortless. Now, here is where it gets interesting: cinematic lighting. Because there is a model that absolutely owns this category, and it is called Kling 3. The reason it is so good at lighting is that it is built on a video-first engine, which means it understands physics. Actual physics. The way light wraps around hair fibers, the way a rope goes taut when someone sits on a swing, the way a wall crumbles from the point of contact when a wrecking ball hits it brick breaking, not the iron ball. Because Kling understands material logic. I am not joking. I tested it. It knew the brick should break. That is the kind of detail that makes images feel real instead of just pretty. Here is the honest answer though. None of them is the best overall. They're each the best at one specific thing. Nano Banana for realism and text. Flux for textures and detail. Kling for cinematic lighting and physics. Pick the one that matches your project, or better yet, get access to all 4 in one place and stop limiting yourself.